Yes guys, murareba payi ikomeje kuzamuka, irakomeje kuzamuka ku buryo bugaragara, aho mubona igeze kuri 0.71. Iki ni ikimenyetso rero kigaragaza yuko payi izazamuka ikagera ku idolari rimwe nk'uko abantu bamwe babyifuzaga, ndetse ikanaharenga ikagera kuri GCV.
The world of money is changing. For many years, only big banks and governments controlled money. Now there is a new kind of money, cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is digital money. It uses special codes to keep transactions safe. Pi Network is making cryptocurrency accessible to everyone. It is easy to use and understand. You don't need to be an expert to join the Pi Network. With Pi, anyone can be a part of the future of money. Pi is different from traditional cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. It is designed to be mined on your phone. You don't need expensive equipment or a lot of electricity. Pi is made for everyone. Pi is still under development, but it has the potential to be fast, secure, and easy to use. Pi aims to be a global currency that empowers people around the world. Mining Pi is simple. You download the Pi Network app on your phone. Then, you tap a button once a day to confirm you are a real person. That's it. You are now mining Pi. You don't need to leave your phone on or use a lot of data. Pi Network is designed to be lightweight and battery-friendly. Pi Network is currently in its open mainnet phase. This is an important step for Pi. It means that Pi can now be traded and exchanged with other cryptocurrencies. The open mainnet allows more people to use and accept Pi. It is a significant milestone in Pi's journey to becoming a widely adopted digital currency. Section 5. Pi in your pocket. Spending and transacting. Imagine using Pi to buy everyday items. You could use Pi to pay for groceries, coffee, or even online purchases. Pi Network is working to make this a reality. As more people and businesses accept Pi, its utility will grow. Pi has the potential to revolutionize how we think about and use money. Section 6. Financial inclusion. Empowering the unbanked. Billions of people around the world do not have access to traditional banking systems. Pi Network can change that. Pi provides a way for everyone to participate in the digital economy. With Pi, you don't need a bank account to store and use your money. Pi empowers individuals and promotes financial inclusion globally. Section 7. Opportunities for all young people and crypto. Cryptocurrency can be confusing, especially for young people. Pi Network makes it easy for everyone to learn about and engage with cryptocurrency. Pi provides an opportunity for young people to understand the future of finance. It empowers them to be part of the digital revolution. Section 8. A vision of the future Pi and the digital economy. Imagine a world where everyone has access to financial tools and opportunities. Pi Network is building that future. Pi envisions a world where digital currency is accessible to all. Pi aims to create a more inclusive and equitable financial system for everyone. It is a vision of a future powered by innovation and collaboration. Section 9. Conclusion. Join the Pi revolution. Pi Network is more than just a cryptocurrency. It is a movement. It is an opportunity to be part of something big, something revolutionary. Join the Pi Network today. Download the app, start mining, and be a part of the future of money.